Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Building a working computer and learning to code with it may sound like a lot for kids as young as 7 to take on, but Piper Computer has been making that possible with its fun kits, like the new Piper Computer Kit 2 and a new command center for building a game controller. That's designed for 13-year-olds and up. We love what they're doing, and Piper's Chief Academic Officer, Melissa Belardi, says,
We believe that every student should be armed with the skills they need for the 21st century, as well as for the automation of the workforce and jobs we don't even know will exist yet. And so that's what we're trying to do for students, ensuring that they are digitally fluent and they have 21st century skills in problem solving, critical thinking, and effective collaboration.
The approach at Piper is unique, engaging, and we think very smart. Find more at playpiper.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.